My aunt sent me 2 packs of charm squares. This is 1 pack, and I pulled out all the darks. So over on this side are the ones I'm definitely going to use. This right here is I didn't know, so if I need more fabric to use, I use these. These right here are all the lights: green, reds, yellows, purples. And this one I didn't know what pile to put in. So I'm about to open this next pack. This is the pile that made the cut. And this is the pile if I need more I use. The I don't know pile. Didn't know what category. Lights. And the rest. I started packing away some of the fabric, and I realized that what I have right here is not going to be enough. I'm going to make some climbing star blocks, and each block has 11 half square triangles. So I have to dip into some more colors. I was going to make the half square triangles on a serger, and I did a quick run through, and it'll be quicker for me to make the half square triangles on a regular sewing machine. I have 11 half square triangles, 1 rectangle, 5 little squares, and 3 big squares. making it up as I go along. For the four corners, I know I need a 20.5 inch block, so that it can either be the background fabric, or I can just make a block that'll be 20.5 inches. I haven't figured out the measurements for the middle, and I don't know what I'm going to do with the middle yet either. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and was on Pinterest to figure out what I should do for my corner blocks. So I got this one from Missouri Star. All of these right here are the 5 inch squares, and these are 2.5 by 2.25. This one right here, I'm gonna cut into fourths so I can have 2.5 blocks. And I only need one of them. I'm gonna use the other three for the other blocks. This one, I'm gonna use the serger to make 4 at a time half square triangles. These half square triangles will come out about 3.25, but I'm going to square them down to 2.25. See, it is a lot of waste for the half square triangles. I'm going to use these to make 2 4 patches. So I made my 4 patches wrong. These 2 colors supposed to be the same, and these supposed to be the same. So let me go ahead and get my seam ripper. Now I'm going to put these right sides together, making sure the background is touching the color. And then I'm going to sew around all the edges to make some quarter square triangles. And I should square these blocks to 6 inches. No, it's this way. And I forgot about these four corners. And this block is about 17 or 17 and a quarter. So I'm gonna make three more to get like an estimate of how big the blocks are, and then I'll add more to make it a 20.5 inch block. I add some borders to make a 20.5 inch block. I don't think I like having these stars in the corner. But I already cut up most of the fabric to make it. I think it might look better in the middle. Or no.